It is good to be back at the most magical place in all of the world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I am Tampa J, and today I'm visiting Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom for the first time in a long time. There is much ahead, my friends. Good boy! The Main Street Transportation Company is in full effect. There it goes. Welcome back to Main Street, USA. I'm about to walk right down the center. It's awesome to see Roy Disney and Minnie Mouse sitting here on this bench right before we start Main Street, USA. Those flowers look beautiful as always. I'd say they smell as good as always, but it's hard to smell with my mask on.
For the safety of everyone, please wear a face covering. Wash your hands often and thoroughly. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, and maintain physical distancing. Thank you for your cooperation.
It is good to see Cinderella's castle once again, and with its new paint job that looks awesome. I really like the color scheme here. I love how bright and refreshed it looks. Almost like magic. It sure is magical here today. I think Minnie Mouse likes the new paint job on the castle. She's over here by the fountain clapping it up. And Pluto's over here, he's just drooling over it. All right, first up, we're hanging a left. Headed into Liberty Square. Oh my goodness, it's Tinkerbell. Look who's coming. Right through Liberty Square. Now that's a surprise. I didn't expect to see Tinkerbell at Liberty Square. Hey Tinkerbell! Hi! Now that's magical. So I found this photograph of my first visit to Magic Kingdom in 1993. And here's a picture of me in that stock. There to the right, there's me in that little Pittsburgh Steelers sweatshirt. I'm gonna recreate this shot right now. Well, kind of. I have found my way back into Adventureland. Just right in front of the magic carpets of Aladdin. I'm waiting for that camel to spit, but I don't think it's going to spit today. I see the rust spot where it used to spit, but it's not very wet right now. It's actually kind of dry. Come on, Mr. Camel. For good time's sake. Yep. I think he's out. Someone load that camel. Give him something to drink. Hey, give him a Dole Whip. Well, hello, beautiful. Look at that, guys. I'm going to enjoy this so much.
Ah, aloha. This is so refreshing.
I have really missed this one, guys. It's time for me to ride Pirates of the Caribbean. Arr, I see you there, buddy. We're coming in. How long is your wait time? Only 5 minutes to ride Pirates. Oh yeah, it's almost time to board the boat. And I am so excited to be riding Pirates of the Caribbean again. This is gonna be so much fun. It's a pirate's life for me. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, yes! Ahoy there! Woo!
Almost have the whole boat to myself. There's one family at the stern. It's Captain Jack Sparrow we're after, and a fortune in gold.
Oh, I miss these smells. Yo ho ho ho, a pirate's life for me. Always love this scene. Give him the key, doggy. Give him the key. So both Disneyland and Disney World just announced, and you probably already know this, but this is the first time I've gazed upon Splash Mountain and just wanted to bring it up here. But it will be rethemed, and I think it was a wise and smart and good decision for Disney World. They're about to retheme this ride, Splash Mountain, to the Princess and the Frog movie. See the music queued up right behind me to confirm the excitement. The ride is going to be exactly the same, but it's just going through a retheming, which is good. I can't wait to see something new. Change is good. Walt Disney liked it that way. That's for sure. Now it's time to ride my favorite attraction in all of Frontierland, Big Thunder Mountain. There's actually a 40-minute wait to ride Big Thunder Mountain. There's still plenty of time and plenty of room in this park to go somewhere else, so I'm coming back later. Don't worry, kids. We're gonna ride it. Did you guys know that the rivers of America was geysers fed? Yep. These old faithful geysers here in Frontierland, right beside Thunder Mountain, are feeding the rivers. Well, there's the Liberty Bell. Well, there's the Liberty Bell. Good to see it again. Wow. I really miss seeing the Liberty Bell too. It's a small world after all. Well, it's a small world. It's a 25-minute wait. And Peter Pan's flight, a 30-minute wait. That is not bad at all. Peter Pan is one that's usually at least an hour wait. Whoso pulleth out this sword of this stone and anvil is rightwise ruler born of England.
Oh, I got it! I got it! No. Nope, not coming out of there. Nope.
Oh, I'm so worn out. I sure did try though. Now it's someone else's turn to give it a go. Good luck over there. The backside of Cinderella's castle looks marvelous. Just as marvelous as the front. It's been a great day so far. There's still much ahead, my friends. Oh no, no Lafru's Brew today. Gaston's Tavern is all closed up. I bet you he's not happy about that either. I can imagine Gaston not liking that at all. Well guys, darn. I had my heart set on a Lafru's Brew today. I guess it's not going to happen. Oh well, I guess I'll just have to wait it out. Hopefully Gaston's will open up soon. I'll just have to come back and check for it next time. Now it's time for a little under the sea adventure with Ariel, the Little Mermaid.
Under the sea,
There's Ariel.
darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. Up on the shore they work all day. Out in the sun they stay their way.
That's the basket.
Floating under the sea.
It's time for Tomorrowland. Man, it's good to be back in here. I remember on my last visit to Magic Kingdom back in March, I spent a lot of time here in Tomorrowland checking out the Tron construction. I'll put a link to that video in the description if you'd like to see more of Tomorrowland. There is a couple of things going on here today that I do want to address though. The people mover will definitely not be moving any people today. It is currently shut down. Well dang, I really missed the people mover. I thought I was going to be able to ride it today. Oh man. So the word on the street that Stitch's character greeting will be going away soon. I think Wreck-It Ralph, some sort of Wreck-It Ralph attraction, will be replacing Stitch. Tomorrowland Speedway must be shut down currently. It is super quiet on the track. No cars coming. That sign says Space Mountain's only a 15-minute wait. So I thought I'd hop in line. Yes, I love this ride. Row number 1. Yes.
Here we go! Space Mountain time!
Whoa! Circuits of time! And space. Whoa! Front row is awesome! I wish you could see it! It's totally dark in here! It's really dark in here! Whoa! Woo! Yeah! Almost forgot how intense that ride was, especially sitting up front with hardly any weight behind me. Alright, I'm making my way back to Frontierland. I'm gonna try to get on Big Thunder Mountain.
Howdy, partners!
Alright, guys.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to...
Two cameras. the view back there. How you guys doing?
The view up here is stunning. So stunning. Whoa. Ah.
Woo! Yeah! Ha ha! Whoa! I love this part. Whoa! Woo! Ha! Yeah! Almost there! I think we finished. Yes! Oh man, I missed that ride. Whoa! That was an abrupt stop. What you guys think?
Woo! I can't believe I've waited this long and all day, but it's time to finally ride the Haunted Mansion. Time to take a tour of it again. It's been a long time, my friends. I see you're still sitting here, still looking very creepy, especially you over there on the left, lady. Very, very, very creepy. Yes, you are. Cousin Maud. He's gone from this world of trouble and strife, but a touch of your hand brings his music to life. Here floats Captain Culpepper Klein, allergic to dirt, so he's pickled in brine. He braved the sea and all her wrath, but drowned on land while taking a bath. At peaceful rest lies Brother Claude, planted here beneath this sod. Enter now this haunted mansion.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. There's no turning back now.
I think I felt it stretch. Maybe just a little bit there. I don't know, maybe it was just my mind. But I definitely
Welcome, foolish mortals.
Still hear the ghost host though. Can't have this without the ghost host, that's for sure.
Oh, he's still there.
Spiders, hail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
That was dark and haunting as ever, but there was no hitchhiking ghost there at the end. I think that part was broken. Oh well. I'll just have to go ride it again. Man, it's been such an awesome day here at Walt Disney World. I've had such a good time.
We are now beneath Cinderella's castle. Aren't these murals magical? They're always cool to see. Not every day you get this angle of Main Street, USA. Looking out from Cinderella's castle. About to head that way. Did you guys have fun today? If you did, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up. Come on back, subscribe below. I am Tampa J. I love to make videos and I love Walt Disney World. And how exciting was today. First time back in a long time. Can't wait to come back again. I'm landing some more reservations to return to Walt Disney World. I'm also going to continue my roadside attractions journey very soon. All right, over and out. See you guys later. Have fun out there. Be safe, be kind, and know that there's much ahead, my friends. Meaning, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.